Does your fridge look like a mystery box every time you open it? What if I told you that a few simple hacks can save you time, money, and make your fridge look like a mini grocery store? Welcome back. In today's video, I'll share some practical and easy fridge organization hacks that will keep your food fresh, save space, and help you find things quickly. No more wasting food or money because of a messy fridge. Practical suggestions and tools explanation. 1. Use clear storage bins. Clear bins are perfect for grouping similar items together, like snacks, dairy, or veggies. Because they're transparent, you can see exactly what's inside without digging around. You can find these bins at home stores for just a few dollars, which is much cheaper than wasting food that spoils. 2. Label everything. A simple label maker, or even masking tape and a marker can make a huge difference. Labeling containers helps everyone in the house know exactly where things go and prevents confusion. It costs almost nothing but saves a lot of time. 3. Use a Lazy Susan. For sauces and condiments, a Lazy Susan is a game changer. Just spin it, and everything is within reach. These usually cost around $5 to $10, but save you from buying duplicate ketchup bottles because you couldn't find the old one. 4. Store fruits and vegetables the smart way. Keep fruits and vegetables in separate drawers. Use breathable produce bags to keep them fresh longer. These bags are inexpensive and prevent food waste, which saves money in the long run. 5. First in, first out rule. Always place new groceries behind older ones. This way, you'll use up the older items first and avoid expired food. It's free, simple, and highly effective. Quick tips: keep dairy and eggs in the middle shelves where the temperature is most stable. Store leftovers in clear glass containers so you don't forget about them. Never overload the fridge. Air circulation is important for keeping food fresh. Think of it this way: spending around $20 to $30 on bins, labels, and a Lazy Susan can easily save you $50 to $100 a month by reducing food waste. That's a smart investment for any household.